Hello, good afternoon. I want us to take a look at a very simple to use inventory software where you can manage your pharmacy, your store, your supermarket, and any other inventory. Firstly, we'll click here to log in. Everybody that uses the app will have a username and password so you can track who is doing what. After login, the store, your name shows here. Now you notice immediately that these issues are about two badges of items are expiring in 15 days time. Items that are expiring will always show you here immediately. So when you click here, it will take you to those items. As you can see here, these are the two items that are expiring. You have the batch number here, you have the expiry date here, and you have the days that are remaining before it expires from the expiry date. These are the items here. So this is very important. So all the items that are expiring will always show up here for you. Here you can make sales. You can sell by barcode or you can switch to manual sales. In manual sales, when you type a letter, the add products come out. You can easily click it to add a product. Assuming you want to add more products, say like 50, you just click the edit, add 50 and update. But unfortunately, system is telling us that you have 9 golder and you are trying to sell 50, that you cannot sell more than what you have, meaning that the system prevents you from selling more than what you have. So in this case, you cannot sell more than that. The only thing you can sell is maybe 8. It will allow you to make the sale of 8. Let me add another item. Add Feruz drink. I'm selling manually. You can use the barcode. I've added Feruz. You also notice that the price changes. At the end, I can easily finalize, and you have the receipts here. You can easily return back to new sales. Remember, you can switch between barcode on normal sales. Okay, so you can always return back to new sales, and here at the end of the day you can actually look at the reports of what you have sold for that day. System will bring it out here for you, what you have sold, how many of Ferus you've sold, total amount for the day, and the receipt, that's the transaction as they appear in each of those receipts. Like this receipt number 29, you carry total of this amount. These are the items on that receipt. For every receipt you have the transaction. Now away from this, you can also have a profit and sales report that allows you to see what you have sold and what you have gained based on the difference between the cost price and the selling price. Okay, you can see the cost price here and your profit, so you have to put your cost price. Now at the stock, you have where you can do like stock correction. If an item doesn't have a correct quantity, you can use here. You can actually use the barcode side, so it's built to work either with barcode or without barcode. Every activity here has barcode and manual attention. Here you can click for stop purchase. This is manual. This is stop purchase manual. So in the stop purchase, you have the quantity, the item. You can easily type for an item here, all the items like maybe fearless here. You put the quantity, the barcode, select the expiry date, supplier, and invoice number. You can actually switch to the barcode version of it here. Now you still have where you can manage their prices here. These are all the items. Like this item, we can easily click change the price or edit the price. This is cost price, this is selling price, and this is the units. The item is sold in bottles, pieces, tablets. Anyhow, just put the units of the items here. Now, so all the items are here, but this place is only available to the admin. Now you have open balance for all the when you are starting your pharmacy, you need to declare the balance is open. You can see it's very self-explanatory: the item, the quantity, the cost price, selling price, the units, whether in package, carton. Then you have the category. Now you also have the stock balance at the end of this transaction. You have the stock balance. The stock balance allows you to see what is remaining after being sold in different places, which you can print. Now you have edit prices also. You can still use this to edit prices either manually or by barcode. By here now you have to type the item, maybe like Golda. and change the selling price. Now when you have done the price change, we have what we call um, price history that allows to see who changed the price from a particular date to a particular date. So you can use it to track your staff. You see on this date, these are the items that we changed the price. On this date, these are the items that the price was changed. So you can know if your staff changed the price and without your consent. Every price change has an history here. Then basically in the admin you can change the days of notification. Don't notify me in 20 days time, like items that are expiring in 20 days time. Once you change here, system will change to 20 days. And observe here now that the notification talks about 20 days time here also. So um, you can add your user here, you can add your point here. If you're having different outlets, you can add it here yourself. You can add your staff here. There's section for accounts, there's payment voucher, receipt voucher, all the cash. You can add ledgers, and most importantly at the outlets, you can always sell, look at expiring items that are expiring at a particular date. You have here, you can look at 1 month, it will fetch for you items that are expiring in 1 month time. You look at 1 year, it will fetch for you items that are expiring in 1 year time. So this is basically what the app does, and there are more to it. Just know that this app does not use internet. It will not allow you to sell below the zero value. Like if you don't have quantity, you can't sell. And thirdly, this app is very user friendly. There are more sides to it. It's just because of this demo, I'm just trying to hurry up, but it's a very simple to use software. The help lines are here at any point you need help. All the menus you need are here. It will serve your purpose. Thank you.